Hey guys, I'm Magnus the Great here. This is the last time I'm going to be opening my locker, so yeah, after 4 years of having this locker. So today I'm just going to show you how to open one of these. So you got to do 3 turns around in the right direction. You can do as many as you want actually, it doesn't matter. Go to your first number. In my case it's 19. Then on your second one, you want to pass the number that's next for the second one. In that case it's 47, so you have to go one extra one. And then you go the other direction to your third number without passing it. There you have it.